What do you get when a junior doctor decides to teach productivity online? A YouTube empire. Ali Abdaal went from Tethischop to Notion templates, but is his content still relevant, or just more digital noise? Ali Abdaal's channel blends productivity, tech, and self-improvement, all delivered with a relaxed, thoughtful vibe. He doesn't chase trends, he explains systems. The real question is, does his content still add value in 2025? His videos often explore tools like Notion, Obsidian, and productivity hacks like the Para system or time blocking. Whether you're a student, creator, or solopreneur, his tutorials are practical, easy to digest, and almost always backed by real use cases. Ali's book reviews are another fan favorite, but these aren't your typical 3-minute overviews. He explains how the ideas fit into his own workflows. Books like Deep Work or Atomic Habits become more than theory. They're translated into action. Aesthetically, his videos are clean, calming, and often feel like a podcast you can watch. No over-editing, no flashy effects, just clear communication. It's YouTube for thinkers, not scrollers. But it's not all praise. Longtime viewers say recent content can feel repetitive. Topics sometimes circle back to the same ideas, and newer viewers might find it a bit niche, especially if they're not into productivity apps. Overall, Ali Abdaal's channel is like a digital mentor. Calm, insightful, and worth checking out if you're serious about working smarter, not harder. What's your go-to productivity channel in 2025? Let us know below, and don't forget to like and sub if this helped.